My name is Travis Fugere, and I'm from Waukee, Iowa. I'm one of the leaders in Celebrate Recovery at Lutheran Church of Hope, and I sing in the choirs there. The reason I was incarcerated was because of my drug addiction. So I feel like I can give back to the community and help people with those addictions, and that's what I do with Celebrate Recovery, is help people get back on their feet and get back to living life. And hopefully they won't have to go through the same struggles I did with losing my rights and becoming a felon for life. I'm looking to get back to voting. I've been waiting. I've been waiting for the laws to change because I thought it would have definitely be by now. I just feel like I want to be a part of the community, but if I don't have a say, I feel like I'm just watching from the sidelines. What I think doesn't count. I'm a citizen like the rest. I'm paying my taxes and I paid my debt to society and did my time. I should have my rights restored. And I realize, you do the crime, you do the time, but there's got to be some point where you pay your debt